Hey, Goldie wants y'all to know that the struggle you're in today is the strength you need for tomorrow. That's right, so let's keep singing until we develop that voice that we are working so hard for.
Yo, what's good? What's good? Another day we in training. You know, the training don't stop. That's the name of the game right here. Consistency. And if you don't be consistency, you'll never get to the prize.
That's real. That's real, man. Yo,
what's
man,
up.
what's going on? What's going on?
Man, I'm just ready to work, man.
That's real. That's
Ready to
real.
work.
So, what we're gonna do today
Mm-hmm.
is very important for every singer.
Okay.
And that's opening up the voice.
Okay.
And opening up the voice meaning that to warm up the voice properly before you go into actual singing.
Okay.
Okay. So that's a key play. That's a key play. You gotta. The one way to open up your voice is to to open up your voice is to warm up your voice. So,
So my
go ahead.
question,
Uh-huh.
what's the purpose of opening up the voice? I think I got the answer, but I want to see what you
Okay,
say.
so the purpose of opening up the voice is to make the voice more free, without tension,
That's it.
and you can be relaxed.
Okay.
Okay, so it's just like an athlete. Okay, any good athlete is going to stretch.
Okay.
Right before they go in that basketball court or football field,
Okay.
because if they don't stretch, they got a risk for what? Injury.
Injury.
Right?
Okay.
So we got to take care of our precious voice. Because, see, the voice is an instrument.
Okay.
Okay, a lot of people don't realize that, but a voice is an instrument just as important as a piano, just as important as a trumpet or whatever. Your voice is an instrument. So you got to warm up your voice, because the voice, the vocal cords right in here, is a muscle. So what we're doing, we're warming up that muscle.
Okay.
Okay, we're warming up that muscle. So we're just going to take you through some 3 to 4 vocal exercises.
Okay.
All right, and then also releasing any tension.
Okay.
So this is because with the voice we want to sing with singing we want to release any tension, no tension at all.
Okay.
Because singing is no difference from me and you speaking right now. The only difference with singing is you're adding melody to it. It's melodious. Okay, it has a sound. Which pitch, like we talked about before, pitch can move up, pitch can move down, pitch can stay the same, or pitch can skip around.
Okay.
Okay. All right. So let's get into it. So one of the most important warm-ups is the humming.
Okay.
Okay. So humming is a great warm-up because it does not place any stress on the vocal cords.
Okay.
Right? So you want to do this prior to singing a song. Okay. All right. So we're just going to take some simple notes. All right. And all we're doing is warming up the voice, my brother. Okay.
Okay.
All right. So let's take this note right here. 3 notes. Dead on it. The boy, he on it, y'all. He on it. Let's go. All right, so. Right, now relax with it, okay? Relax with it, and then make sure your tongue is forward.
Okay.
Okay, and we'll talk more about that. Okay, we'll talk about more of that in a little bit. So. Yes, there you go, there you go. And then try not to clench your teeth as well. So have an open, let your mouth be open, but your lips together.
Okay.
Okay, all right, here we go. There you go. Good, good, good. Now I want you to put some of that emotion in there we were talking about. All right, feel it. Yeah, I'm going up. Okay. There you go. Go ahead. Now, one thing I want you to do, I want you to connect all the notes.
Okay.
Okay? Because this part is called phrasing.
Okay.
Okay? Because you don't want any gaps,
Okay.
in between the notes. All the notes have to connect. So, for example, there's 6 notes I'm playing, so we want to go.
Okay.
All right?
Okay.
Go. Yeah. I like that. Now we're gonna go back down a half step, okay, to the original note, and then we're gonna move up, okay?
Okay.
All right, here we go. So. third pitch. Mm-hmm. So when you listening to the pitch, think high, okay?
Okay.
But then don't out. Let it come out easy.
Okay.
Even with the humming.
Okay.
Here we go, going up. Listen, go. Going up. Here we go. There we go. Here we go. Going to that mix now. Here we go. Go. Yes, sir. Go. Two more. Get in the head. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. You feel it? Let's go. Let's try that again. It was a little pitchy. Here we go. Let's go. Let's try it again. All right, let's go back down. Go. There we go. There we go. Try it again. Go. Now, I want you to put emotion right there, okay? Because we're in the head right now. We're in the head with the hum, okay? So now, see, the power of doing the humming exercises, you can go further in the vocal range.
Okay.
Okay, because it's putting less stress on your vocal cords.
Okay.
And then
And
also
resonate from in front.
exactly, and you can feel it.
Okay.
Okay. And then when we get into actual singing, over time, you'll be able to reach those notes without having to stress the vocal cords out.
Okay. Okay. Gotcha.
Okay.
Word.
All right. All right. Because all of this is training.
Okay.
Okay. And everything we're trying to do is get the vocal cords to react in routine and habit.
Okay.
Okay. All right. So right here. I want you to have fun with that. Okay. Ready? Go. Yeah. Okay. I'm gonna play a chord. Okay. And I just want you to go for it right there for these three notes. There we go. Ready? Go. Again. There we go. Again. Last one. Yeah, there you go. Good. So that's that humming, okay? So I recommend to do that 3 to 5 minutes, just like we're doing every day before you actually go into your songs, okay? Now, another one is when we're going to get into, this one awakes the vocal space to open up your throat more, okay? And what you're going to say basically is, hello, how are you today?
Okay.
All right? And you're going to imagine your throat opening from the back, okay?
Okay.
All right, so, hello, how are you today?
Hello, how are you today?
Good, do it again.
Hello, how are you today?
One more time.
Hello, how are you today?
Now, I want you to go into your high voice and say, hello, how are you today?
Hello, how are you today?
There you go. Now, we're going to go into the mix, just speaking it, all right? Because once we go into singing, all you got to do is transfer this and add notes to it, okay? All right? So, hello, how are you today? Now, this time, we're going to bring you to the mix. Hello, how are you today? I want you to focus all the sound coming from right here, all right?
Hello, how are you today?
Almost, it's still coming right here. Hello, how are you today?
Hello, how are you today?
Yes, Hello, how are you today?
Hello, how are you today?
There you go, one more time.
Okay.
Hello, how are you today?
Hello, how are you today?
Good. And then the next one, we already know, the chest. Hello, how are you today?
Hello, how are you today?
That's our normal speaking voice. So, the 3 types. Hello, how are you today?
Hello, how are you today?
Mix.
Hello, how are you? Hello, how are you today?
Hello, how are you you today?
Hello, how are you today?
Right, and then
Hello, how are you
there
today?
you go. Good. All right. Now, the next one is we're gonna work on going from head to mix into chest.
Okay.
And then we're gonna sing on the oo vowel. The oo vowel is the vowel that you need to sing on when trying to go into higher notes.
Okay.
That oo vowel. Okay. All right. So and it's with the word boot. So ooh, 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 ooh. Right.
Ooh.
Ooh, ooh, ooh. Now, another thing that I want to share with you, your tongue needs to be forward. Okay.
Ooh.
All right. Ooh. So your tongue needs to be at the bottom of your teeth. Okay. Ooh.
Ooh.
Right. Okay.
Ooh.
Right. Ooh.
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 Right. Okay. And the reason why your tongue needs to be at the bottom of your teeth is because a lot of people, when they try to reach high notes, they feel like they can't get it. So the tongue retracts back, and it places pressure on the vocal cords, which causes vocal strain. And once we start talking about resonators, when the tongue retracts back, it pushes the sound up into nasal. So then now you get a more nasal sound. I don't know. That type of sound. See what I'm
Okay,
saying? So
okay.
you always want to add, especially when reaching higher tones, that tongue needs to be forward. Okay. And then we'll talk about the lips. Okay. The lips are automatically take form in the right shape. Okay. So let's get the exercise. So right here, we're gonna start. Let's go. Keep tone. Nice and smooth. Come on. Now, what I want you to do is just put a little bit more air behind it. Okay.
Okay.
All right. Because when reaching higher notes, the vocal cords need more air to pass through, to vibrate quicker, to get that sound. Okay. All right. So just take a deep breath in, and then we're gonna go. I'm sorry. Go. Again. Now we're gonna try to take it a step note higher. Okay. Right here. Okay. Nice and smooth. Connected. Again. Now I want you to open your mouth a little bit wider. So make like a ooh sound. Ooh. Ooh. Right. Ooh. Right. So. You hear the difference?
Gotcha.
Got you? See? Okay. So. Again. So it's real close. Okay. So. Yes. There we go. All right, go. Now we're gonna do the other two notes. So what we're doing right now is half step intervals. Okay. Half step is basically the very next note. It's a semitone that you're trying to get to. It's almost like walking downstairs. Okay. The very next note. So you're gonna go right here. I'm sorry. Yes, there we go. There we go. Let's go again. Ready? Go. Here we go. Two more times. Now, you're already here. Guess what? We're going to take it up another step. Okay?
Gotcha.
You're really in the head now. Okay?
Okay.
All right? Look. Just hear it. Okay? Reproduce the sound. Take your breath. Relax. Okay? Keep that tongue forward. Okay? 1, 2, ready, go. Keep that shape for me. There you go. Here we go. Now we're gonna take it up one one more step, okay? Because my goal, I believe you can do this, all right? Right here. That's what we want to get to today, okay?
Gotcha.
That's what we're going to get to, Bubba, all right?
Yes,
Here we go.
sir.
So, come on, bring the energy. You saying, you need, you need, okay, ready, go. There we go, nice and light. You ain't got to put more pressure than it has to be, okay? Ready, doing good. 1, 2, ready, the breath. Come on. Give me a little bit more breath behind it. There you go. One more time. Now, we're going to work it. We're almost two notes from it, okay?
Okay. Yes, sir.
Keep that tongue forward, okay? Because as we go higher, the tongue feels like it has to help you. So it's going to try to retract back.
Okay.
All right, but try to keep your tongue forward. Okay. Ready? 1, 2, ready, go. That's it. That's it. That's it. Now, what sound we making? We're making an ooh, right? Yes, that's it. Come on. Let's go. Good. Now the last one we hear.
Yes, sir. Okay.
Up there, okay? Here we go. 1, 2, ready, breathe. There we go. Okay. Good. Now we come back down. There we go. Good. And down. Still up there, All right, listen to it. Okay. You got it. There we go. Ooh. Yeah, Yeah, there we go. Now make that your own. Here we go.
Okay, I got flat. Okay.
There you go. Get back up there. Whatever, nice and pure. Almost.
Okay.
Yeah, there you go. Yeah, okay, and then we'll do one more right here. We'll come back down to right here. Which I know you got. Ready, go. Yeah, that ooh, give me that ooh. Yes. All right. So that's the play. Okay. I promise you, if you do these, right what we're doing right here, for the next 3 weeks, at no time, you'll be hitting that full voice, bro.
Word.
Real talk.
So why am I not hitting that right now? What is
because the voice, the vocal cords are not stretched out enough. It's not enough resonance, or the vocal cords are not built for that.
Okay.
For that note right now. But as you exercise it, because see the vocal cords just stretch out as the breath comes through. Okay. So right now we're training in that area. This is new territory.
Okay.
See what I'm saying? This is new territory.
Okay.
See what I'm saying? Like 6 months ago, you were here. You were struggling to get this.
Yeah.
This ain't no problem now. Sing this.
Okay, so
See what
6
I'm
months ago, I can't even get that.
6 months ago, you can't even do that.
Word.
You were struggling to get that. You know what I mean?
Word.
Can you see?